Here we are near the completion of phase 2 of Code X project at Dynatrac. So we arrived here not too long ago, and as soon as we arrived, we disassembled the whole car right to the bone. So then we brought it to Sticky Fingers Design so then they can wrap the vehicle, all the parts of the vehicle as fast as possible so then we can get it back the next day and actually install it on the car. And at the same time, we had Patriot Campers here with their team installing everything in the back portion of the vehicle. And at the same time, we had Rhino Racks here installing their rack system and TGM rooftop tent, and also Innovative JK Products here working on their system. We had America's Adventure Lab here working on their fenders, and we had a bunch of people here all working crazy amount of hours, all for a super crazy deadline that I created. I'm sorry, everyone. And I'm excited. It's looking great. It's now back together and it's close to being done. We just need to put the bumper on, and we're gonna go to Patriot Campers booth in Overland Expo. So see us there.